Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Capricorn. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. Let us see what is coming up, guys, for your daily energies and for your love energies, Capricorn. Two of Pentacles, Five of Swords, Four of Cups, Queen of Wands, Seven of Wands. With these cards, Capricorn, you have some quick decisions to make. You are, forced to make such an certain decisions, and you are not sure which way to go, which way to decide, guys. This may be in your work or in your relationship. You are worried about something. You're just not accepting what is coming towards you. Maybe this may be your work. You have a timeline to decide. That may be worrying you, guys. So this may be your person's energy or your energy, guys. So they are thinking about this decision because they have this timeline and they are worried. They are in the vantage point. They have this advantage in this situation, but still they have lot of work to do, guys, and they are really worried because of that. So maybe in this relationship they feel this relationship is good, and they have everything that they like in this relationship, but still they are thinking what to do. So something is bothering them, guys. Something is not what they expected in this relationship, what they expected out of it. So they are just thinking before taking up, uh, before deciding on anything, and they feel some kind of weariness with the situation. They feel it was the same in the past, and why you need to go and decide. So they have this undecided energy, and they are feeling tired because of that and weary because of that. They are thinking that it may cause a bad name to them or something like that. Their decisions or whatever they are thinking to make, it may cause some kind of bad name or something of that sort. So they are thinking and thinking, guys. So that is the kind of energy here with the cards, guys. Let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards. Tree, choices, sun, bear, house. So with these cards, I feel they have choices, lots of choices. That may be the reason they are thinking, and maybe in their professional life they need to make a choice. that may be the reason they are deeply thinking what to do next, or some things are controlling them, maybe the situation, or maybe this person, or someone from their family or friend, whom they have a very good what to say understanding with. They are trying to control their decisions, so that may also be the reason here, guys. Or this may be your energy. You are overthinking about certain things. So, or this may be your person's energy, guys, towards this relationship. But with this card, this is a very positive card which overcomes all the negatives I said. So with this card, I surely feel this person is coming out of this energy, this what to say, this confusion, and they have this confused state in mind about these decisions, what to do. So they are surely coming out of it. They are overcoming all these difficulties they have, guys. So that is the energy here. This relationship, you have what to say, you both feel very responsible, you both feel very safe and secure in this relationship, stable. You feel this person has a commitment. This may be a mutual way you feel about this relationship, that both of you have this kind of energy in your relationship, guys. But you feel some situations or persons are controlling your current your present day, holding you back from moving forward in your life. So those things are coming to end, guys. So whatever is controlling you is going to just disappear. That may also be the energy here, Capricorn. So let us see what the angels, the fairies are guiding us today, guys. What is the fairies guidance today? A clockwork pumpkin, three witchy sisters, men, a broken heart fairy. Capricorn, with these cards, the fairies are guiding us today with the knowledge that things happen for a reason, and whatever is destined to happen will always happen, guys. So you can never stop it. So you need to accept the things that are happening in your life with open arms, guys. And sometimes, to overcome the stress or doubt or confusion whatever we are having, we need just alone time to reflect within ourselves. Sometimes we need to just take a walk in the beach alone, or have a long bath, warm bath, or have some quality time, spend some quality time with ourselves, just to reflect within ourselves what should be done. When we do that, we lift our spirit, we instantly feel some kind of happiness when we pamper ourselves, guys. So that is the way we have to what to say, overcome the weariness or stress we are having. And maybe sometimes you need to trust your intuition. So in your heart of hearts, whatever you feel right, maybe we may have a gut feeling about certain things, we may be drawn to certain kinds of things, some kind of hobby we need to take up to divert ourselves. So sometimes we need to do that, guys. When we do that, we what to say, we feel really happy for what we are doing, it instantly brings so much joy to ourselves, guys. So that is what the fairies are guiding us to do today, guys, in the times of these stress or confusion, or when you're just overthinking about this situation and not moving forward with your life. So that is the reading for today, Capricorn. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.